My house that I've been living in for 15 years is going to be demolished and I need to move.
Goodbye, Fluffies! No, this is not me going off YouTube. This is goodbye actually to the studio.
Yes.
This building will be demolished, so we need to say goodbye to this gorgeous place that I created only 3 years ago. So this is heartbreaking. And actually, since you saw the studio tour video, it changed a lot. We have new furniture that you actually could. None of it you can see. Okay. We have this thing here that is new with the horse. This the thing here that is new with the phone. And a lot of more things that we ended up bringing over the course of 3 years. But now I found everything to make this as magical in another place. This was the gorgeous flower wall that is actually my secret wardrobe. Ta-da! And with all my dresses, but over there I have all my blouses that are only in one half of this. And it's too crowded for the blouses, so I want to buy a bigger wardrobe. Also, this is actually in the apartment fixed, so we need to buy a new one. And also this I want to change, and it will be in drawers here. So I have good plans for this wardrobe, and I think it will work out, and we'll keep putting that over. The carpet was this gorgeous fluffy white thing, and over the 3 years that we had it, it's actually become a lot grayer. Creamy, yeah, and less soft. But I found this extra thing. The thing is that I will need that because the new carpet that I found is glitter pink. I don't know if you can see the glitter. You need to see the glitter. Focus on the glitter. Glitter. You cannot see the glitter. Yeah. I'll show you B-roll so you can see that it's glitter, and I'm so excited about that. It's also super soft and yeah, so glitter pink. But under this, if I do the photos with this and this, it will be too contrasty compared to the white. Now it's the flower and the white. So this extra white fabric, the carpet that I have, I will put in front to make like I don't know, like a small mat in front of the wardrobe for the photos, but the rest will be all pink glitter. And the walls, it's actually a kind of blue tone, and I took now one of the greener thing, and we will go with this one instead of this one. Probably on camera it doesn't really show, but this is more blue, and this was be one tone darker and also more green. So I'm upgrading each time the studio. And also there's the option to put glitter in the paint for the walls, but I have no idea how it will work. It will be visible or not, probably not. Last time I was able to make the mix, and we put like 4 or 5 times the amount of normal glitter to put in, and you need it to be this close to the wall to see the difference, so probably it won't work. But maybe with the big lights it will give some shine. Maybe it will be like a full white reflective, and maybe that will be better. We'll see.
Yes.
The next thing that you will see in this video is us packing the studio and then moving, and then maybe some of the work on the next one, so it will be kind of a move my studio vlog, probably over like a few months, hopefully not a year and a half like last time.
Yes, hopefully.
It took me a year to go from the ugly place to this gorgeous studio, and then at least 6 more months until I filmed the studio thing, because I still had the windows and a few things that I wanted to do. So now the final version, I have no idea. Now, today is February 25th, 2023. So we'll see. When is the last time? I'm cleaning now the shelf with all the accessories and jewelry, and I decided to put like all the necklaces in this one thing, and so I get a lot of more bags here to put everything, all the pins, all the rings, all the earrings, I think, in those bags, and then this is how I'll carry them, I guess. All the trays that were here are now in IKEA bags because I think it would be way easier to carry them here, and it doesn't fit in those big boxes. So yeah, we'll see. And I won't let the movers carry that. I will carry that myself. It is so empty, and also it resonates already so much. That's crazy. So the flowers are gone, and inside I have only the dresses, a couple of things here, everything else is empty. And here only the blouses, and a bunch of mess over there. So we got the keys yesterday, and we brought the fragile things yesterday, like most of the things from the studio, but we have no furniture because the truck and all the movers come tomorrow. But I still have my dresses here. So the goal now is to pack all the dresses because I want them to be the less amount of time in storage. So I packed them last. I have 4 suitcases, one duffel bag. I have also a few garment bags that I could use and put them in IKEA bags, and I found those things. They build up in like a tray in fabric, and that's very convenient because they have a handle to carry, and in that case I would not need to actually protect the dresses as if I would put them in a cardboard box like we use the banana boxes. So I don't want to put my dresses there, and so they have holes. So I will try to film how I pack, and you will see later what is the separation in all the things I told you about and how it was convenient or not. I decided to start with the suitcases because that would be so stupid to actually carry the suitcases to the apartment empty, so I might at least fill them. The 4 suitcases are filled, and it was all my dresses and a few blouses, and I think now I will use the fabric drawers. And it was a conscious choice on my part to keep the hangers. It would save me so much time while I just have to take them back and put them on the rack instead of having to put the hangers over again. But also noticed that one dress is heavily stained, so I think I should go through all my dresses at some point and clean them and do maintenance. So that's it. Everything fit in the 4 suitcases and 1.5 of those, and yeah, there was petticoats in the other one. So there was way less troublesome than I thought, and now the decision is, do I carry that myself with my car, or do I give this to the movers? I have until tomorrow to decide. So this is the last day before the big move. The movers are coming tomorrow, and the painters did magic. So honestly, they were supposed to do 2-day jobs, and they were like 25 hours late, and they ended up bringing everybody to finish in 6 hours. And so now I have the gorgeous mint color. Look at this. This is so cool. I don't know if you can see, but the paint is glittery, and the carpet is also glittery. So I'm so excited. It's gonna be amazing. And tomorrow all the furnitures arrive, and the big wardrobe will arrive only next week. So I'll keep you posted when I'm unboxing everything and making this my new YouTube studio. Yay! So all this I moved myself, and now all my dresses are here. I took them in my car, they're all safe, and now the movers can come with their furniture and the big boxes. I don't care, but the dresses, they're safe. The movers came today, and I have now something. This is definitely not filmable in yet, but it's getting there. I'm happy that all the furniture I wanted actually fit. I was not wrong in my calculation this way. And here I'm actually waiting for my wardrobe, and I ordered a big wardrobe from IKEA. And yesterday, scrolling on my phone, I found the most gorgeous wardrobe that would actually go here. So, and it was like 3 times less than what I paid for the one at IKEA. So actually I cancelled it at IKEA and decided, well, give all my money back. But now we need to, actually if it goes here it fits, but a lot of the things I had, all my drawers with all the accessories and everything, I have no idea where to put. And so this will be an issue, but I'm sure I can figure something out to have something extra cute. And also I have all the flower wall is here, and if I have this gorgeous wardrobe here, I cannot put the flower wall on top of it. So I'm not sure where to put the flower wall yet. So we'll see. My whole wardrobe is in here and here. The thing is, I wanted something really bigger to have more dresses, like the OG stuff and the skirt stuff somewhere else, and like double the space for blouses because it's so crowded. And I think I got a few centimeters more, but really nothing major. But because it's this gorgeous wardrobe, I don't think I can complain. So yeah, either I have a super cool wardrobe or I get more dresses. I don't know. So now I'll figure it out if I want something else in front. So, and also where to put the flower walls, because obviously I will not hide these gorgeous doors with the flowers. I am so sad to leave this place, honestly. I never wanted to move. This place was so amazing and I spent so much of my life here and I spent so much time in this studio. Was actually my baby, and I'm so sad that now it's over. I will do my best to make it as cool in the new place, but there's so many frustrating things there. I'm not sure if I will ever be able to feel as good as I'm feeling here. I mean, now it's too late, obviously. I don't have a choice, so let's make it work. It's been a week since we moved, and as you can see, there's still a lot of work, and the whole apartment is like that. Boxes everywhere because we are still needing to make another big wardrobe for the house in general, not just my closet. And so that's why it's taking ages to receive it and build it and put everything in it. And yeah, it's starting to look like something, but not like home yet, I guess. So it's a house that I live in, but it's not my home yet. Now we are in the process of still want to live and use this room and don't have time to clean. Welcome. In 2 days, we give back the keys of this apartment, and they're fighting us because this wall is mint and they want us to paint it back white. But honestly, look at how terrible the walls and carpets are in the other rooms, and anyone who would accept that for 6 months would accept the mint wall, or they will redo the whole thing for 6 months, like repaint everything for 6 months, which makes no sense. It will be destroyed in 6 months. So we'll see in 2 days what they say, if we can keep it or if we lose our deposit. We'll see. It's all good, it's all done. She said, oh, that's the room where you painted, right? And then she said normal use, paint, mint walls, and that's it. So we're good. So it's been now 6 weeks that we moved in, and this is my first day filming in the studio. So because this new wardrobe is gorgeous, obviously I would not cover it with flowers, so I had to find another way to put the flowers here. And having the camera and move it all the way, it's not an issue. And those two lights, it's totally fine. But I had a table that I already had to remove because there was no space at all. And this clothing rack is very practical when I'm changing and when I have dresses that I want to rewear or air or something. So I'm keeping the rack and it's on wheels. So actually normally I store it here in front, but when I'm filming videos I need to put it somewhere. And so at the moment it's really in the way, and there's something else that I need to get rid of. Okay, here that would be somehow held. But here I have a lot of boxes and things that still I need to find space for this. And the only space left I have is inside of this tiny thing here. And since I took this, I removed everything. Before it was my crafting supply, it's now somewhere else, and all here it's Lolita stuff, like, because I could not put the all those things here. I had 7 of them already. Now I have only, I don't know, yeah, I think I have only 6 because I could not even put them all, and all my bags are there. So I feel like everything is smaller, even though technically it's the same size or a little bit bigger, but I don't know, it's just adjusted differently. So yeah, this is where I'm at. It was not a terrible day of filming, but I need to get used to it, and I'm sure we'll be fine. And as you can see now, it's very empty, and I just put that like simple thing so it doesn't look too terrible, because I put the things for my haul here, because that's now the only table I have, that and the vanity. So I needed to put everything I needed for the haul here. Yeah, I'm stressed out every time. Like, I feel like I still want to cry every time I feel something is less good in this new place than before. And today I was really pushing not to be sad, because I wanted to be hyped to film for you guys and not be, I'm so sad to be here. But I'm actually, there's so much work. So yay. I feel that at some point it will be pretty, but except that this wardrobe is way better. It's way cuter, but it's way smaller. And okay, the only thing that is actually a really good upgrade is this gorgeous pink carpet that is glitter. This is definitely an update, and I won't deny it. But everything else was better in the other studio. Every single thing in my studio was better. And I feel like in the whole apartment, actually. No, okay, the balcony is better, and the view is better. But everything else frustrating. Well, this is my house, half destroyed. I never thought I would be able to see the place where I lived in destroyed like that. You can still see a few rooms, the chimney, the bathroom. The studio is still there though, or you can still see its mint over there. I'm so glad I fought them and I did not pay to paint it back in white for them to destroy the whole house 2 months later. I'm so happy. Well, I guess thank you so much for watching, and remember, everybody can be Kawaii. Bye bye.